99designs online job platform review usage experience. Welcome to our 99designs online job platform review. In this video, we'll break down how 99designs works, who it's for, and whether it's worth using. Links to 99designs are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. 99designs is a freelance platform specifically for designers, making it a great place to find work if you're a graphic designer, illustrator, or branding expert. Unlike general freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr, 99designs focuses exclusively on creative projects, such as logo design, website design, packaging, book covers, and more. There are two primary ways for freelancers to get work here: contests and direct client projects. Contests are one of the standout features of 99designs. Clients post a design brief, and multiple designers submit their concepts. The client then selects a winner who gets paid for their work. While this setup provides an opportunity to showcase your skills, it also means that only one designer gets paid, so there's a risk of doing unpaid work if you don't win. However, if you consistently win contests, this can be a great way to build a portfolio and attract clients. For a more stable income, direct client projects allow freelancers to work one-on-one with clients, setting their own rates and terms. Once you build a strong profile and receive positive reviews, you'll have a higher chance of getting hired for these projects. For clients, 99designs offers a streamlined way to find high-quality design work without having to search through thousands of freelancers. The platform has a built-in rating system and a structured design process, ensuring professional results. One downside is that the competition is tough, especially for new designers. And the platform takes a service fee that varies based on your experience level. However, if you're a talented designer willing to put in the effort, 99designs can be a valuable platform for finding consistent design work. That wraps up our review. If you're a designer looking for opportunities or a business in need of top-tier design, 99designs is a solid choice. Check out the links in the description to learn more, and best of luck.